How to use LegalZoom Trademark filing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many business owners assume filing a trademark online is simple, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that delay registration, lead to rejections, or create legal vulnerabilities. The first mistake is not conducting a thorough trademark search. LegalZoom provides guidance, but beginners who skip checking existing trademarks risk filing conflicts, which can result in refusals or legal disputes. Another common error is choosing the wrong trademark class. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office organizes trademarks by category, and beginners who select incorrectly may limit protection or require refilling. Many users fail to provide a precise description of goods or services. Vague or inconsistent descriptions can cause rejections or challenges. Be detailed and accurate. Ignoring deadlines is another pitfall. After submission, responding to office actions or notices promptly is critical. Beginners who miss deadlines may see applications abandoned. Finally, some assume LegalZoom handles all legal strategy. While the platform simplifies filing, beginners who skip consulting a professional may overlook risks like similarity conflicts or enforcement challenges. To use LegalZoom properly, conduct a thorough trademark search, select the correct class, provide accurate descriptions, meet all deadlines, and seek professional guidance for complex cases. Avoid these mistakes, and your trademark will be stronger, faster, and legally secure.